motorcycle carburetor repair. This is one of my two big dog K9 models. Has an S&S carburetor. Now, since I've been out in Arizona from San Diego, I've had this problem with both of my big dogs. And basically it's a pretty simple problem to solve once you understand what's happening. Personally, I think it's a combination of the high temperatures we have out here and the different fuel additives that are added to gasoline that we buy. And I mean, a lot of times when it's 115 plus out here, not riding but the bike sitting in the garage, and what happens is that the float gets stuck, and depending on how much gas you have in the tank, or it's going to start leaking out as soon as you turn the gas line on. Now, there's a couple different ways to solve this problem. If you're stuck on the highway, well, then you better go with this one and pick up a rock or a little hammer like I have here, or anything back of a wrench, and you tap on the float. Every time I've done this, without exception, I was able to ride home and give it the right fix. But try this, it'll get it unstuck. Your alternative is just to ride with gas leaking, and that doesn't sound like a good idea to me. Now, when you do get it home, unless you do a more extensive repair, it's just going to happen again. So here is what I would suggest, is take your carburetor off and take a look at it and get some sea foam spray. There's two different ones you have to get. The aerosol one is for spraying on the exterior, and they have another one for adding to your gas tank. And when you do this, it's going to unstick your valve in most cases. If not, well, then you're going to have to take apart the carburetor. But so far, in two instances where this has happened, I've not had to take apart the carburetor. I just, after spraying this, put a little in the gas tank, the problem is solved. And I also tried not to let the bike sit more than a week in the garage without riding it. I mean, I should say without starting it up, letting it run for 5 or 10 minutes. Anyway, I hope this helps. If you run into the same situation, now you know how to solve it. Thanks for watching.